Just took a quick nap on Saturday. I'll be okay. That is the post from Jalek Swoll after his little nap, like he said, after the first, like literally right off the start of the first race on Saturday. Yeah, not exactly good. You can see right there, just kind of gets tangled up and then out. It's pretty scary to think that that's just like a joke. Like, yeah, I was knocked out. Don't worry about it. I'm perfectly fine. He ended up going DNS for 23rd overall, and as the moment he sits 17th in the playoffs with 14 points. But obviously being knocked out and laying on the track lifeless, let's be honest, looking like it. He's gonna have to do concussion protocols before he's allowed to race again, which is good. I mean, is the right way to do it. If you're gonna sit there and be knocked out, lying on the ground, just not moving, it's not exactly just like this funny thing. Like you talk about or you see all the NFL stuff with the CTE and how bad concussions can be and how long lasting they can be. You never want to see this. Like you don't want to see somebody knocked out, laying there on the ground, just. I mean, good job for them for the crew or whatever you want to call them to red flag that and stop it immediately. Just, there's no point in trying to endanger him, endanger themselves to see if he can get up and move off the track. But hopefully he's fine. We never want to see somebody get injured like that. And 2 rounds left of the playoffs to go. He's not really in any sort of race for anything. So if he comes back in races, it's kind of just for bonus money, maybe. But I don't know. Comments down below, you guys tell me. Do you like for round one? Are you excited for round two? Are you going to any of the last two? Whatever it is, comment down below while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.